For the Mitosis Lab, I'm at the website and I'm looking at the onion root tip. So what I'm going to do is take a closer look at this root tip here. Now, it is important to get some background. So taking the video, looking at the video of mitosis in an animal cell and understanding those stages of mitosis is significant. What we're going to do is look at two different areas of this onion root. Now, I called them area X and Y. It doesn't really matter. What matters is we're looking at some area up here toward the top and some area down here toward the bottom. And what we're doing is just comparing those two areas. We want to know which area has more cells in mitosis. So we're just going to count. And to count, we're going to do it systematically. We're going to go down one row and up the next. So we're not just counting randomly. We're going to make sure that we're counting in some kind of systematic way. We also want to make sure that we're staying in the area that we intend. So to do that, I'm going to make sure I'm up here toward the top. And I'm just going to go down a row. And I'm just looking for, is the cell in interphase or is it in one of the stages of mitosis? So as I go down one row, I'm going to notice that there's interphase, 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 interphase. And I'm going to go down maybe 10 cells or so and then up the next row. And I see that there's one that's in metaphase because they're all lined up in the middle. Don't get confused by some of the cells having more than one nucleolus. All right, lots of the plant cells have more than one nucleolus. So those are still in interphase. All right, it's not till you get to cell look like something like that you're going to have a cell that's in prophase. All right, so instead of being in interphase, it'll be in prophase. So again, pay close attention to the nucleus of the cell. All right, mitosis is all about the nucleus. So pay close attention to the nucleus of the cell. And you want to see which area are there more cells in the stages of mitosis. Once we find that out, that lets us know which area is growing in the plant, because that's how things grow. Their cells divide. Understanding what area of the plant is growing can help us understand a lot of other things too about plants or even about people. So that's what you need to do for the Mitosis Lab.